In the previous class, we have learned that we eat many kinds of foods like biryani, pulihora, idli, chapati, and dal, etc. And you also learn how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable by adding oil, sugandha dravyal. Yes, already you are discussed this in previous classes in sixth class. Uh, Food components: biryani and tomato curry, chili curry, okay, palikaram. Otherwise, some ingredient things, okay, dalchina chekka and coriander. Otherwise, menthulu and otherwise some ingredient things. So we have learned this type of food components and many kinds of food like biryani and pulihora. So and idli and chapati and dal. Biryani food prepared already you discusses. We are discusses in sixth class and pulihora also discussed and idli and chapati and dal. So you also learn how to cook some kinds of example tomato curry. So example we discuss tomato curry. How to we are prepared till we first take tomatoes and clean in water. Take one bowl, okay, and start the stove and first of all you cut the pieces of tomatoes. This total you put in bowl, okay. Take first bowl and start the stove, okay, and small pieces of tomato pieces you put in the bowl and heat for 5 minutes. Add some oil, okay, add some oil and tomato pieces and add some oil, okay. Otherwise and add some coriander leaf, okay, and otherwise and chili powder and salt and some water. Add the tomato and you observe 15 minutes they heated. After we will take side and take tomato curry. We taste the food and after 15 minutes heat we will add some sugandha dravyal, very tasted the tomato curry. And you also learn how to cook some kinds of food, making them tasty and palatable by adding oil and sugandha dravyal. The sugandha dravyal and oil very tasted. You will add some in curry and chapati and dal. Already we discussed this in the previous classes. How to prepare chili palikaram? What about materials of palikaram? Chili pieces, okay, and coconut, oil and salt and cullis and some. What about some materials? Already you learned oil, okay, and some kinds of materials. So with total we add in chili karam, chili or pali karam. So everyone have their own favorite food. Yes, everyone children's their own favorite food. What is your favorite food? Your chicken curry. Why they they prepared very sugandha dravyalu add and oil and coriander leaves. So the chicken curry is very tasted. And what is your favorite food? Other people's other children's own favorite food. So some children's like brinjal and tomato curry and biryani, chicken biryani, mutton biryani. So many food own favorite food. So why do you like it, or biryani or chicken curry or otherwise? Because very tasted. We added oil and sugandha dravyalu and other some ingredient things we added because the curry is very tasted. Yes. Is only favorite food sufficient for you? Why? And what would you to eat every day? Yes, favorite food very tasted. What do you eat every day? Which food you are eating every day? So tomato curry and dal and chapatis and every day morning you eat morning tiffin idli or dosha, puri also. Think why do you eat it? So every day so many people a different food taken. Why? The organisms, internal organs working in our body. So how do work the internal organs? The first we have taken food. We take food. After they doing some works in our internal organs. Example, digestion system also and transportation of heart also, stomach also and heart and excretory excretory system also, okay, and brain also so many organs doing some works in internal body. How we take food first of all they take care of they take on stomach. After digestion some food materials, the transportation by heart, the blood transportation in total body. So that's type so many organs doing in works in our body because we will take food materials every day. All peoples and animals also. Yes, let us do activity. We eat different types of food items. Yes, every day we eat. We are not so many all peoples. We eat different types of food materials. Some people take idli and dosha. Some people take rice morning also. Evening other food. On food some people take their favorite food. On food take. Make a group with 5 or 6 students or make a list of some day today activities. Look at you gather 5 members activity. These activity activity 5 members we gathered and make a list of some day to day activities and food items. But first, food materials. Which food material you are take every day, and uh, activities also. Activities. Which activities you are doing, and which materials you take every day. Each candidate which materials take morning, uh, morning and afternoon and evening. One candidate first morning which material take idli. Okay, afternoon rice, evening chicken. Example, such type we mentioned activity. Each one candidate. This information only one candidate. So that's type 5 members total gathered information. That is display your group report. Will prepare your page report total. Silent. Discuss in your group with your teacher about the relationship between eating food and performing activities. Look at after each one candidate gather some information on food materials and activities. You whatever given here discuss each one candidate take in some food materials. Uh, Discuss relation between eating food. You eat and you eat morning idli. Your friend eat example dosha. So discuss relationship. How to relationship have here. That's time. Food supplies the energy we need to do many tasks in our day-to-day activities. Yes. So many food materials you are take up, and after the food materials how to went in our body, and those and other food materials how to doing energy in our body, how much give energy. Example dosha how we are eat idli morning. Idli how much given energy in our body. So that's the information we are discusses. Yes, idli, chicken, dosha, tomato curry, chicken curry. So many food materials we are eating every day. How much energy give in our body? So that is information we discuss now. Do we need energy when we sleep, and why? Look, we are every day morning get up 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. We sleep every day at 9 o'clock. Okay, because your body organs total relaxes at night time, because we sleeping, and total daytime our organs doing some works. All organs doing some works, brain also, and heart also, and excretory system also, stomach also. Yes, gathering and doing works so many, because we doing some activities. That is. Do you know that even while sleeping we breathe, and circulation of blood in our body goes on? Yes. Now we sleeping at night. Our total organs doing some works. What that breathing system and circulation system. Okay. Breathing system, lungs, and circulation system, heart, and digestion system, stomach, stomach. This example line. So this total heart organs doing in sleeping time and daytime. They're doing they working these organs total and give energy in our body. Can you add some more activities performed by our body during sleeping time? Otherwise, organs, skeletal system also, and muscle system also doing active works, and circulatory system, heart, and controlling system, brain controlling system. Controlling our body controlled now strictly because because brain doing works because we are standing strictly. Read the following and discuss with your friends. Silent. Example. Suppose you don't get food for lunch. How do you feel? Yes. Afternoon time, we did not take food item. How do you feel your body? Your stomach is hungry and feel your stomach because take food item. Then afternoon time and afternoon time your brain is very heated because coming of headache and some incidents, some feeling coming in your body. Yes, because with uh, uh, supplying of some information from brain to stomach, telling our brain the food materials afternoon time we will take. If you don't get anything for more than a day, how will you feel? So daytime total you did not take food, so your breathing system is problems and stomach problems and headache, brain. So some problems coming in your body because you did not take in food materials. That is, if you don't get food for many days, fever coming and your health is damaged. So many days you did not take food. How do you feel? Your total body organs slowly and dullness. Your body organs and stomach also problems and breathing system and circulation system. Total some problems come in your body. Okay, and you did not works. You are not doing works. Yes, because you are sleep because your organs did not works. That is information. Why should we take food? Doing some works in your internal organs because we will take and the food give energy in our body. Foods total food fruits also give energy. Okay, proteins, vitamins, and carbohydrates. So many food items give energy in our body because we will take food items and doing works in our systems, internal systems. Example, what are internal systems? Breathing system and circulatory system and digestion system, controlling system of brain and reproduction systems and muscle system and skeleton system. So many systems present in our body. That is. Okay. Now completed some food materials information. Okay. So, work first page work. You read.